What's cooking?
Special bell peppers and beef.
Deseed and slice your bell peppers into small strips and slice your portobello mushrooms into strips as well. Cut your onions, and crush and mince your garlic. Over medium-high heat, heat up the wok, and once it's nice and hot, add in your oil. Next, add in the garlic and cook till fragrant, 30 seconds max. Add in the onions and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until they're translucent. Add the peppers and mushrooms. Stir fry until they become a bit soft, about 5 minutes. While the peppers and mushrooms are softening, mix the mirin, soy sauce, and red pepper flakes together. Add the soy sauce mix and stir fry for 2 to 5 minutes. Remove from heat. Serve hot.
There's no beef in here. So you wouldn't really call it bell peppers and beef, now would you?
And remember, whatever happens, happens.